The caste issue, weaponizing caste against BAPS. Let's understand Varna and Jati. About Varna, scriptures defines it means color or personality trait. The term Varna refers to qualities and inclinations called gunas in later thought. Scriptures also talk about Varna, which absolutely not based on birth. In one of the Rigveda hymn, it says, I am a reciter of hymn, my father is a healer, my mother is a grinder of corn. We desire to obtain wealth through various actions. Another hymn from the Rigveda is the duties of Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras are distributed according to their qualities in accordance with their gunas or qualities and not by birth. And what is Jati? Jati referred to clan, tribe, community, religious sect, etc. And yes, Jati was based on birth. Please note that the Varna is not subdivided into Jatis, and Jatis can straddle multiple Varnas. Let's understand caste. The word caste is of Portuguese origin called casta, which means lineage, race, breed, etc. It amalgamated the concepts of Varna and Jati into caste. Caste is not an Asian version of race. Unlike race, there is no genetic or racial basis of caste. Let me tell you, there is no reference to caste in any of the Hindu scriptures, nor in any other religious or philosophical school that originated in the Indian subcontinent. Now Varna was considered birth-based, just as Jati was. The concept of guna disappeared. How British imposed caste. As we all know and understand from the history that British did not understand an Indian cultural background. After 1857 Indian War of Independence, they thought they had to understand the Indian society to rule it completely. The interest of colonists and Christian evangelists converged. Herbert Hope Risley, the person who conducted the first census of India, clubbed Varna and Jati into a new construct he called the caste. In many cases, Risley also said people are ignorant and had to be told what caste they belong to. Discrimination. It is important to note that India, just like every other country in the world, is not perfect. Historically and today, there has been discrimination on the basis of birth practiced in India. It is important to note that while slavery finds scriptural sanctions in many of the world's religions, Hindu Dharma does not support discrimination based on the birth or color of the skin. In fact, following the Hindu Dharma, its purest form is to accept and see divinity in each person individually. And how they are targeting Hindus using caste? There are Hindu hatred groups like Equality Labs, which is a group with visceral hatred towards Hindus in alliance with Indian leftists, Islamists, and evangelist Christian groups which are building a narrative of caste discrimination in the US of A. Their goal is to make an attack on Hindu identity, divide the Hindu community in America, which has lived in harmony for decades. In addition to attack on Hindu identity, they are also trying to represent the Hindu Dharma in American textbooks. The consequences could be too dangerous for us. It would make Hindus vulnerable to bullying in schools and colleges. It would image every successful Hindu as a suspect of caste discriminator. It would also result in discrimination at the workplaces. The issue of Bocharvasi Akshar Purushottam Swaminarayan Sanstha, famously known as BAPS. BAPS has disagreed with the labor law violations allegations and has stated that they are cooperating fully with all relevant investigative authorities. We trust that the truth will be brought to light through the legal process. The caste allegation confound our and numerous others' experiences with BAPS as a Hindu tradition that rejects caste-based discrimination of all kinds. Those familiar with the tradition know that dismantling caste differences has been central priority of Sri Bhagwan Swaminarayan and the gurus of BAPS. We believe that BAPS is targeted because it has been one of the most successful Hindu paramparas in preserving and promoting Hindu Dharma within and outside India. And who is behind the attacks of BAPS? Groups like Equality Labs, Ajivika Bureau, Hindus for Human Rights. Equality Labs, for example, is headed by a fundamentalist Christian and a Bangladeshi Muslim, whereas people like Professor Audrey Truschke and Sharmin Hossain are well-known Hindu haters. They are doing everything in their power to malign the Hindu identity in America. And this is how Hindus are being targeted. Hinduism taught the lessons of yoga, peace, natural dietary habits, and most importantly, Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. World is one family. People from all faiths must join hands of Hindus in America to answer this hatred. Thank you for watching.